Hello everyone, it is Pax Wolfger here, back with another video. So I know I just posted a video like yesterday, but I made this guy again. I still don't have a name for him, so I'm still trying to think of one. But yeah. If my voice sounds a little different, not too different, but just like a little different, like more raspy, it's because I think I'm kind of sick because my throat kind of hurts, and I might need to clear my throat quite a lot in this video. Not too much, but you know what I mean. Like I just did right now. But anyways, yeah. So I made this guy yesterday, and I just finished it today. I used this type of pencil right here. So this one is, here, wait, focus. The Studio Series. This is actually a really light pencil, as you can see. This is how it turned out. And then today I went over it with a mechanical pencil, which is a darker one. Yeah, I'm really proud of how this turned out, with like how the shading turned out and like how I made the wrinkles and the arm and like just everywhere. The background doesn't look that good. I was just like, I want to get this over with, you know. I wanted to finish it, so I just kind of shaded in the background, and then made a shadow right there. Alright, let it focus, because this camera quality is really bad. Yeah. So I've actually made this guy, I'm going to show you the first time I've made him. Compare it to this one, because this is my newest drawing I've made of him, and this looks literally so sick. I'm really proud of it. So this is the first time I've ever made him. Doesn't look that good. For some odd reason he doesn't even have a neck, so yeah. And then at the time, because I've had this guy for like a few months now, so at the time this was my favorite drawing of him, just like this. What's the word for it? I don't know, but anyway, yeah, not really that good of drawings. I've definitely progressed over the months that I've made this guy, and now I actually have him again, and he looks like really nice. I'm really proud of this drawing. But that's basically it for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.